A user asked for help getting initials from names. So, with this list of names here on the left, they wanted to return this list of initials here on the right. Let's take a look at one way that this can be done. Okay, so here's the example spreadsheet that I made. I have this list of names. Here I've listed what the initials should be, and then here in column C, I'm going to be writing my formula to replicate what's in the manual. So Chloe, Amélie Rousseau should be CAR. Matteo Lorenzo Della Porta should be MLP. We are not counting these, I don't know if there's a technical name for them, but the Vanden, Della, Op, L, D, Day, we're not including all of those smaller terms inside of the name. We're just returning the normal name parts. So what I'm looking for then is all of the capital letters. That looks like it should cover everything I need here. So M, L, P, H, E, B, R, K, Y. That looks like it should do it. Now, the way I first approached this was to try to use the REGEXREPLACE function, which extracts matching substrings according to a regular expression. So my text was A2, and the regular expression for all capital letters is just A to Z, like this in the brackets. But that was only returning the first capital letter it encountered. And no matter what I tried, if I put a plus here, a period at the beginning actually skips to the second capital letter. So several things I tried here. Regex extract is not what we're going to want here. You could do it, but you would need a lot more structure around it. Rather, I'm going to use the regex replace. And this replaces part of a text string with a different text string using regular expressions. What I'm going to do, the pattern I'm going to go for is find everything that is not a capital letter and replace it with nothing. So again, my text is A2. My regular expression is going to be in the bracket, not A through Z, close my bracket. And then my replacement is going to be nothing. I could use the blank string, the empty string, but this can, if you use the empty string, it can give unintended consequences when you're looking at the length and is something empty. So I'm just going to replace it with nothing at all. And the suggested autofill, I'm going to go ahead and accept that. And you can see all the way down, it is returning exactly the same as the manual version. So this looks like it's covering for me correctly. So all I'm doing is looking for all the characters that are not capital letters here and replacing it with nothing. And for this situation, that accurately gets me all of the initials using the provided names. I hope this helps.